Sheglam just released their Harry Potter makeup collection. You can get all 4 of the palettes in a bundle, or you can buy them individually. Each of the palettes you get 4 colors for Gryffindor: daring, bravery, determination, and courage. For Ravenclaw, wisdom, curiosity, wit, and creativity. For Slytherin, ambition, cunning, leadership, and destiny. And for Hufflepuff, trustworthy, hard work, humility, and patience. Next up, we have the Potion lip gloss set. 4 lip glosses in here: Felix Felicis, Polyjuice Potion, Amortentia, Draught of Living Death. I would recommend getting just one of them because they all kind of look the same in the end. And they are super, super sticky. Next, we have the Magic Cauldron Lip Mask. Very comfortable on the lips. It's not sticky and has a very slight minty cooling feeling. Finally, we have the Glitter Lip Balm. It is really pretty and glittery, but that does go away. And it just kind of leaves a little bit of a slight gray tint to the lips. But overall, it really doesn't give a whole lot. So those are my thoughts on the Harry Potter Sheglam collection. What did you guys think?